Readers, Level 5.
I Love the City by Lynn Robertson. Illustrated by Laura Oversat. My grandfather takes me to the city. I don't want to go. Our hotel has a noisy elevator. Ouch! The man's whistle is loud. We are at a bus station. The lady in a uniform is kind and helpful. We go to the zoo. We see rhinos, gorillas, and monkeys. Look, a food stall. We eat chicken and lamb for lunch. Then we go to a famous castle. It is square. Inside are some beautiful pictures and old treasures. Now I love the city.
Oxford Phonics World